Many people ask me about the fire whistle here in town. It's next to the fire station down the road. I was asked today, does the noonday fire whistle still go off? Yes, it does. It goes off every Saturday at noon, and it is active for calls. This year, we're going to try to get Skyo's STH-10, which is located next to the fire hall. I was able to find out. I'd like to thank a Siren enthusiast for that. I originally thought it was the Petrola station in town. It's further down from Station 1, pretty much out of Skyo. But this was the fire whistle, and hopefully I can get Dansville's for you at some point, but it's only active for calls. Skyo's will end up being at 9 p.m. because that's when they do the curfew test. So this is a second clip of the Geneseo fire whistle going off in town. The other one I did a few months ago when that windstorm was coming through. Anyway, thanks for watching.